Have you ever wondered if a simple act could unlock the doors to your dream life? What if the key to transformation was right in your kitchen? A pinch of salt in a bowl of water? Imagine harnessing the forces of nature to dissolve your blockages and align your energy with your highest potential. Today, I'll guide you through a salt water ritual that taps into ancient wisdom and modern manifestation techniques. This is not just another ritual, it's a life-altering practice that can turn your dreams into reality. Stay with me, because the secrets I'll share here will change the way you manifest forever. The salt water ritual is a sacred and intentional practice deeply rooted in Buddhist teachings and the universal principles of energy alignment. It's not merely about mixing salt and water, it's about creating a powerful energetic cleanse that clears negativity from your life and amplifies your manifestation abilities. Salt, nature's ultimate purifier, has been used for centuries in spiritual practices for its ability to absorb and neutralize negative energies. When paired with sunlight and intention, it becomes a transformative tool that harmonizes your inner and outer worlds. This ritual goes beyond the physical. It taps into the unseen forces of the universe, connecting you to what I call the magical triangle, the sun, moon, and earth. This triad is essential for manifestation because it represents the interconnectedness of all life. When you engage in this ritual, you're not just cleaning energy, you're creating a direct line between your desires and the universe's ability to deliver them. It's a practice that not only clears blockages, but also recharges your spirit with vitality and purpose. Salt's ability to absorb and transform negative energy is both scientifically and spiritually profound. Its crystalline structure makes it a natural conductor for energy, and when dissolved in water, it creates an environment that facilitates energetic cleansing. By pairing this with the energizing power of sunlight or moonlight, you activate a potent conductor for manifesting your desires. Think of it as creating an energy bridge between your intentions and the universal forces that support them. This ritual aligns your energy with the magical triangle, a balance between the sun, moon, and earth. The sun's energy empowers and energizes your intentions. The moon's cycles amplify emotional and spiritual clarity, and the earth provides grounding and stability. Together, these forces create a powerful alignment that makes manifestation not only possible, but inevitable. The key lies in intention and consistency. When you perform this ritual, you're actively collaborating with the universe, reinforcing your connection to the infinite energy that surrounds us. To fully embrace the power of this ritual, preparation is key. Start by choosing a clear glass bowl. This is essential because glass allows sunlight to penetrate and energize the water, making it an active medium for your intentions. Wear bright-colored clothing to help your chakras breathe and align with the ritual's high vibrational energy. Cleansing your hands with salt water under running water is a vital step to clear away any residual negative energy before you begin. This simple act also primes your energy field to resonate with the ritual's purpose. Once your energy is cleansed, gather the remaining essentials: your glass bowl, natural sea salt or Himalayan salt, a pen, and dissolvable paper. The ritual begins with intention. Take the salt in your palms, close your eyes, and connect with its energy. Speak to it directly. For example, you might say, "Dear power of salt, please bring peace, joy, abundance, and success into my life." Visualize your desires as you pour the salt into the bowl of water. Imagine the water becoming charged with your intentions and ready to carry them to the universe. Allow yourself to feel the excitement and gratitude as if your manifestations are already on their way. Next, write your name on the dissolvable paper. Use your birth name, focusing on your highest aspirations as you write. Maintain a calm and focused energy, knowing that every stroke of your pen carries intention. Once you've written your name, fold the paper carefully and immerse it in the salt water. As it dissolves, visualize your blockages melting away and your desires becoming clear and tangible, as though they're already taking shape in the material world. To activate the ritual, hold the bowl in your hands and invoke the magical triangle by saying, "Dear magical triangle of sun, moon, and earth, I entrust my manifestations to your power." Feel the energy flowing through you and into the bowl. Place the bowl in a sunny location for at least one full day. Rotate it occasionally to ensure the sunlight energizes every part of the water. Even on cloudy days, daylight exposure will suffice, as the energy of the sun is always present. This step is critical because it infuses the water with the life-giving energy of sunlight, further empowering your intentions. After 24 hours, take the bowl in your hands once more. Close your eyes and express heartfelt gratitude to the magical triangle. Say, "Thank you, thank you, thank you," 3 times, allowing the repetition to deepen your connection to the universe. Finally, take the bowl outdoors and pour the salt water into soil, symbolically returning the energy to Mother Earth. As you do this, speak words of gratitude and trust that your manifestations are on their way. Feel the shift in your energy as the ritual concludes, knowing that the universe has received your intentions and is already orchestrating the path to their fulfillment. While the salt water ritual is powerful on its own, its effects can be amplified when combined with full moon and new moon practices. These lunar phases are cosmic reset points that offer opportunities to release old energy and set new intentions. The full moon's energy is particularly effective for letting go of what no longer serves you, while the new moon's energy helps you plant seeds for future growth. Think of these phases as universal markers guiding you to align your actions with the rhythms of nature. Manifestation is like tending to a garden. The saltwater ritual is like watering the soil, while moon rituals are the sunlight and nutrients that help your dreams grow. Skipping these lunar alignments is like neglecting the care your garden needs to thrive. By incorporating moon rituals, you create a harmonious cycle that keeps your energy aligned and your manifestations on track. This layered approach not only deepens your practice, but ensures that you remain in sync with the cosmic energies that influence our lives. This ritual is a profound way to transform your life, but it's only the beginning of your manifestation journey. There are countless other practices, each with its own unique power, that can help you align with the universe and achieve your deepest desires. If you're curious about these methods, subscribe to my channel and explore the secrets of manifestation further. Have you tried this ritual? I'd love to hear your stories. Share them in the comments below. Your experiences could inspire someone else to take the leap toward their dreams. Before you go, let me leave you with a question. What if the next step you take could unlock a world of abundance you've only dreamed of? Click on my next video to uncover another transformative practice that will elevate your life to unimaginable heights. I can't wait to see you there.